Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I wanted to make this video about my Tesla Model 3. Now this is a cleaning tip. So we went to a brewery and we bought a few crowlers, the big cans where you can actually take the beer from the brewery home with you, and they're sealed in cans. So, and we've been to this brewery many times and never had a problem, but I guess they had recently maintenance the machine, and one of the cans was really leaking a lot. The other three out of the four were leaking slowly, but one of them was leaking a lot. Unfortunately, it leaked into my Tesla Model 3 in the back seat, and I have the all-weather mats. So most of the beer was caught by the all-weather mats, but some did seep out onto the carpet portion underneath the mats. When I say the carpet, the part that's attached to the car that you can't take out. And that's right here on the bottom that I'm talking about. So, luckily this just happened today, and it's not a hot day, luckily, it's a cloudy day, because my one worry was that if you let it sit in your car and bake after you even tried to, use a paper towel to get as much of the liquid out, I would just be worried that it would just bake in here and the smell would just get worse and worse. So I was looking online to see if there was any tips on how to clean the carpets of a Tesla Model 3. I didn't see many tips about beer that leaks out of a can in the car. So the one thing I found that I used to use on all of my other cars was this. It's called Tough Stuff, and you can use it on cars, on your upholstery, on the carpet portion. Now, you have to make sure that you test it on an inconspicuous area first before you go and just blast the whole thing that you want to clean. So I did that underneath the seat, waited a little while to see if anything would change, and then I wiped it up. Totally fine. So I sprayed the whole area where I saw the leak, or where I felt the leak was at, where the puddle was, and I let it sit there for a few moments, and then I wiped it with the wet, damp cloth, and then I used the dry cloth to clean it up. So far it's been about an hour, and I can't smell any of the beer. So it seems like it works so far. So I just wanted to make this video to say that you can use this stuff on your Teslas, on the Tesla Model 3 specifically, on just the carpet portion. I don't know if it works on the seats or anywhere else. I haven't tested that. But I just wanted to let everybody know that you can use this stuff and it works for beer, and that's a great thing to know. So I just wanted to put this tip out there. If you have any questions, or if you want to leave a comment below, go ahead, feel free to do so. Please hit the thumbs up on this video if it was helpful, and thanks again for watching.